Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your charts of the day. I want to show you two charts that we've been watching over at StockMarketMentor.com, and I covered last night in my strategy session, and I'll probably cover again tonight because they are strong, even in all of this market volatility and even with headlines of a potential credit crunch coming down the road. Visa and MasterCard are holding up really well here. If I zoom out, you can see that this stock is not only above all its major moving averages, but really close to its all-time high, less than 10% from the all-time high. And so while credit may be hard to get with high interest rates, I have a feeling a lot of these credit card companies are making a lot of money from people who owe them money. And so this is definitely a stock that I want to keep an eye on because it has a nice little cup, it's building a handle, and it's right under a clear level of resistance, right around that 235 area. MasterCard, very similar. A little bit of a cup, building a handle, and if I zoom out, pretty close to its all-time high from back in 2021. So these are two charts that I think are worth keeping on a watch list, and so wanted to share them with you, and hopefully you make some money out of these ideas. If you want to see what else we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.